mid mufflers from Hellcat Redeye.
Hey? Okay, why you need this one?
All right, so I want to leave these on here.
Okay.
And I want to take these
You want
off.
to check out the resonators?
Yeah, I want to
Okay.
take these off. But yeah, I'll leave the back ones on.
Okay. Nomás esos dos no se quiere quitar los otros.
So yeah, we'll be leaving these on the back.
160.
Take that one too.
Desde allá. Okay. Okay, and this one, sir, when I cut it and I put the pipe, I had to drop it for over there, drop it and weld it all around because over here I don't have room to welding.
Okay.
Okay, so I have to drop it. I have to charge you 165.
Okay, that's
Okay.
cool. Yep.
All right.
Thank you.
Está bien. All right. How you doing?
Hey, what's going on?
All right, man. I had to say this one first.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You helped them.
Yeah, I got this one.
Yours?
Yeah.
Redeye, is it, or what is it?
Yeah, this one's the Redeye. Man, if y'all need some muffler work done, man, muffler delete, any of that, man, y'all come up here and check them out, man, especially if you're in the San Antonio area, man. If you don't feel like waiting, man, they got a Church's right there across the street, man. Go get you some chicken or whatever you need, man. And also, man, if you don't like chicken, man, or whatever, you don't die or something, man, you can go over to the Whataburger, man, get you a veggie burger or something, man, you know, whatever you need. Again, man, Guzman's Tire Mufflers, man, come check them out, man, they'll hook you up.